Welcome to Oak Tree Dubbo. Our villas are thoughtfully designed to offer low-maintenance living without compromising on comfort or quality. With 3 bedrooms, a single garage, and an open-plan layout, there's room to relax, entertain, and enjoy everyday living. You'll find a bathroom plus a separate powder room for added convenience, all across a spacious 123 square metres. The layout allows for flexibility and ease, making day-to-day living simple and enjoyable. Take a closer look. This could be the perfect fit for your next chapter.